I really like the Leviton T5635W USB dual Type-C 30-watt receptacle. It provides convenient USB-C power and is easy to install, and it comes with a wiring diagram, but it's deeper than a standard receptacle, so it's a little harder to fit back in the box. The T5635 has 30 watts of power total available across the USB ports, and you can use the dual power outlets and the 2 USB outlets all at the same time. If you're using more than one of the USB-C outlets, the 30 watts of power is split between the 2 outlets, so keep that in mind. These are great in the kitchen, on islands, by a nightstand, or anywhere else you want convenient USB-C charging. It puts out enough power for an Apple HomePod Mini, but if you plug something into the other port, it will quit working. I've also found that it can charge a Macbook Air just fine, but a lot of laptops will not charge very fast because they usually require more than 30 watts of charging power. Overall, these outlets are great if you want convenient charging for your phones, tablets, other electronics, or power for a HomePod Mini. If you're interested in buying these, I have links in the description below.